guys, back here for the last and final update video. It's really exciting because this time we're all staged, it's all finalized, and open house is only a few days away, so you guys are in for a little treat here because it's gonna be really cool. Alright, so we're gonna flip it around and I'll show you guys the same kind of view we went through before, coming through the garage right now. So let me turn this around. Alright, so like I was saying, here we go. Coming through the garage, into the kitchen. So I don't know if you guys remember or not, but there was no oven there last time. Everything is all super pretty over here. Still the same little closet. No washer dryer, but you know. Oh, don't look over there. Cheated. So here's the bathroom downstairs. Right? Hey. Sliding door down here. So here is the kitchen. If you guys have been following, I would be going nuts right now. It's a crazy, crazy transformation that we've made. It's got a nice little couch. It's like somebody's living here. Nice big wooden table. Look at that. Nice little family room, huh? Isn't that cool? You guys get a little sneak peek outside, looking through the windows, but we'll go out there after. So, there's one slight hitch. The gas line was actually cut at the street. So, I didn't find that out until a few days ago when they were about to turn the heat on. And they're like, what the heck? So, they have to run a new gas line from the street, which is probably going to postpone another week and a half. It's going to be Easter, and they're going to have to wait till after. So, it stinks that we're not going to be able to do the open house in a few days, but it is what it is. And make do with it. So, first bedroom right here. Not totally done staging, kind of lied before, sorry about that, but this bathroom, have it all nice and staged. Like I was saying in the last video, remember like we had this all blue nasty tile in here, there's like mold everywhere, there's like stuff growing out the toilet. Yeah. So, make this little baby's room. You know, gotta make it look like somebody's already living here. Let me turn this off, actually. Okay. And the master bedroom. Ta-da! Shower's all done. Came out beautiful. So that's that, guys. That's a wrap. That's what it takes to flip a house. Pretty sweet. So I'll show you guys outside. Go back out through the garage. But yeah, can't believe it. We got this nice driveway outside, pavers. And out front, that is the front of the house. So we'll go around the side. Try not to step in all the mud. And that's that. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. It's the last part of this video. It's the last part of this deal. So we're on the hunt. We're still looking for more, but I had a really good time. Learned a lot in this whole deal, and you know, it's crazy how fixing up the house actually was quicker than the short sale process itself, if you can believe that. But if you guys have any questions about how we were able to, fund this deal, or any questions about why we chose certain things in the house, feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you have any general questions about flipping houses, wholesaling houses, just let me know. Feel free to put a comment down. I think I have my email in there, so I'm always there if you want to shoot me an email, or social media, whatever's easiest for you. I kind of prefer social media because I see that quicker, but whatever you guys like, so let me know. And if you haven't by now, subscribe. I don't know what you're doing, so please do that. That would really help me out. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna try and switch it up, do some more cryptocurrency videos, and talk more about real estate, and maybe a little bit more Amazon stuff. Haven't really worked on that a whole ton. Kind of just have it run in the background, which is pretty sweet. Have some passive income while I'm working on real estate. So anything that you guys think of, just let me know. But as for this deal, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.